Hello everyone, this is Linda. Look at that Miss Nosy over there. This is at the end of the day. It's about maybe 4 o'clock in the evening, and I'm cleaning off this like a. I have this big cemented square in my garden that we use a lot of time for to sit out here and enjoy the evening. But I've had dead plants, from the spring just sitting here. Yeah, that was them right there. Just a lot of different plants. So there is so many seeds in here, just a lot of seeds. I've taken out all the bigger parts. And Miss Lady, I don't know what she's doing or what she's looking for. But and I think I showed you all this before of how um, the the s- the worms just get in here, and just huge big worms in my garden. And so I usually just take some of the worms and put them in pots. Yeah, and look at him. He just big fat worms in here. So I'm going to I'm gonna get up all the leaves and the smaller pieces. I'm gonna put them in containers. Let me see how many containers I have. But I'm gonna put one of them definitely in. I'm gonna show you this. So this is just grass that I pulled up from on the other side of the garden, and it is in a container like that. And I'm gonna plant my sweet potatoes in here, and sweet potatoes will be in here. I'm thinking sweet potatoes or white potatoes. I'm thinking, but I know definitely sweet potatoes going to be in here. But I'm going to put some soil in the bottom and in the middle. Then I'm gonna plant my potatoes, and I'm gonna put this grass back on top with more of this stuff. And it's just a lot of it all over. And as I said, I have so many seeds everywhere. So I'm looking for flowers to just pop up everywhere because, you know, there's a lot of seeds in here from all the different flowers that I grew over the spring. Yeah, so by the time I get all this here stuff up, I will share with you all what this look like. And then what I'm going to do with this square. Yep, I'm gonna put all of my container garden over here, right here on this square. And so I'm giving up a lot of my garden for the family, but I'm gonna take this. All right, guys, let me get busy before night catch me. It's getting late in the evening. Mm. And yeah, I got a lot done, but I'm not finished yet. So I still got a lot over here that needs to be done, and I'm getting it. I'm getting it. But I'm going to finish this Monday morning, if God say yes to life for me. But yeah, I'm going to complete this tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see where we at. All right, guys. I hope you all have a sweet night of rest. Y'all, look, look at this super juice. I just want to show you this. Look at that stuff. Now that has been sitting in there for about 2 months. So that is 511. There's some banana leaves in there. There is brassicas, cabbage leaves and mustard greens, and yep, it's all in there. It is all has all diluted in there. That stuff is like black gold, I tell you. It's like black gold. I see you guys Monday morning. Good Monday morning, everyone. This is Linda, and welcome. Welcome, everyone. I hope you all are having a beautiful Monday morning. Yeah, the sun is strong out here, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But yeah, I need to get started and complete this project today. I need to finish this today. So, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I will be sharing with you my Zone 9 garden. That's Mama Q, y'all. Mama Q. Hey, it's trouble. That's little Q. Now they want to act like they don't know that I had the camera. Yeah, they love the camera. They do. They do. Check it out, y'all. Wait. They are just coming everywhere. These big boys. Big boys. Ooh, yeah. Mm. Well, guys, I've done it. I've done it. So now I'm just gonna get this all wet and I'm gonna sweep it off with this sweeper right here. And we're gonna have our deck back. We're gonna have it back. I'm gonna place all my my plants that I have in containers. I'm gonna place them here. All right, you all, here we are this Monday morning, and this project is complete. Yeah, it is all done. My big square, I can see it. I can see it. So this is all of the great compost that I received from all of my plants from last spring. There they are. And now I get to use them in my garden. So let me share another one that I did. So this is more of that cool stuff. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this down really, really well. I'm going to soak this thing. And I'm going to make up my mind about, are we going to have 2 bins of sweet potatoes or a sweet potato and a white potato. So by the end of the day, I'll have it all worked out. Yeah. So here's my container plants. And no, this is not all of them, but this is some of them. But, Who knows, by the time this spring is halfway, this deck will be filled. But here is the other side. It's nice and empty, and I'll use for sitting and just enjoying. But I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel this morning, just hanging out with me. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. So cool. Yeah, just hanging out with me this morning. I thank you so much. I pray that you all have a beautiful Monday. All right, guys. Later, y'all.